Which one is better, fat cavitation or fat freezing? Talking about fat removal never goes out of style. Traditional fat-burning solutions such as dieting and exercise cause your body to enter conservation mode. It slows your metabolic rate and makes it more challenging to lose fat. Therefore, pursuing a better means or procedures that suits you is vital in fulfilling your commitment. Today, we will compare two solutions, which is fat cavitation and fat freezing. Before we go further, I would like to ask you a question first. What is your choice in terms of fat removal? You probably can find the answer at last. Fat cavitation versus fat freezing. In these sessions, we will compare several aspects of the two means. Let's check them one by one. Which one is cheaper? The average cost for a fat freezing or cryolipolysis session is between $2,000 and $4,000 US. The prices vary depending on which body part you will treat. Usually, the smaller a treatment area, the lower the expense. And if you treat several body parts together, the cost will also dry up. However, fat cavitation is a less costly choice. Likewise, the cost varies per the body part you want to deal with and how many sessions you will take. But the average cost of the procedure is between $215 and $315 US. It is a much more affordable option for most of us. Which one can deliver a better experience? During a fat freezing session, you may experience stinging, tingling, itching, cold, and so on. And the common side effects include the following: pain, redness, swelling, bruising, and skin numbness. But you do not have to worry about them since they may vanish in a few days. By comparison, fat cavitation therapy is painless and does not have the symptoms mentioned above. It is an easy and relaxing experience. According to clients who once experienced the procedure, apparently it leaves a better impression on clients. Which one will take fewer sessions to see an effect? For cryolipolysis, it may take around 1 to 3 months to see fundamental changes. According to a website on cryolipolysis, it takes time for fat cells to be destroyed by the freezing effect and removed from our bodies. However, fat cavitation presents an outcome just within a few days. Fat cells stored deep inside are dissolved by ultrasonic wave right away. The destroyed cells are then processed in the body's lymphatic system. This is how dead fat cells are eliminated and how we achieve fat loss in a short time, which will ask for less downtime. Fat cavitation really brings about side effects, as it is explained above. Hence, you can return to your regular work and life immediately after the procedure. Since it is non-surgical, no anesthesia, skin capping, or sutures will be involved. Therefore, it will require no downtime. Cryolipolysis, however, may pose potential risks to treated parts. Sometimes it enlarges a treated area, which may involve after treatments and needs medical intervention from a doctor to reverse the situation. Which one is approved by FDA? Both cryolipolysis and fat cavitation are FDA authorized. So, whichever you choose, you know that it is backed by scientific testing, and you are in a safe hand. And generally, it is risk-free for most people. Remember that you must always consult a physician or certified health professional before picking one of these therapies.